Well, what we're looking at are the remnants of Hurricane Debbie, downsized to a tropical storm and dumping biblical rain, according to the reports, on Savannah, Georgia, and Charleston, South Carolina. But look at the beauty. This is a outer band. It dumped about 3 or 4 inches of rain on us about an hour ago, and it's heading south. But that's part of Hurricane Debbie. Those are the outer bands. This is a very, very wide storm, spanning from here all the way up to South Carolina and now into New York and Philadelphia. Very big critter. I'm gonna pan in a little bit so you can see the horizon. They are called low pressure cells, and you can see how close the rain-filled clouds are, storm cells are, to the surface of the ocean. Amazing. Low pressure. And it's been building for a week. We've had this for a week. And we're getting a beautiful sunset. The sound of the waves is mesmerizing. The wind has just picked up. Can you hear it? In this particular meditation, you have the option of sitting, looking down at the sand, or you can look at the horizon, or you can lift your eyes above the horizon, just let them settle in the middle of that beautiful storm cell cloud that just passed over. And then let your eyes just take in all of it. So soften your gaze, take in all of it, and the sound. And don't label anything. Don't label the sound. Don't label any of the images in front of you.